Hello children, welcome to a new topic, conversion of improper fractions to mixed fractions. Improper fractions, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Look at the example given below, 8 upon 4. So you can see we cannot put 8 parts out of total 4 parts, because if we divide any object, a whole thing, into 4 parts, we do not get 8 parts. So we are drawing another whole thing made up of 4 parts again, and here total I get 8 parts, that is the numerator, and again 4 is the denominator, which is indicating the equal number of parts in a particular whole object. So here this is known as 8 upon 4. This is not one unit, hence it makes improper fraction. So whenever you see an improper fraction, it's always the numerator greater than the denominator. Now mixed numbers. Mixed number has a part that is a whole and a part that is a fraction. Look at the example given below. You can see a whole part is shaded, while the another whole is shaded only in 3 parts. That is, only 3/4 part is shaded, 1 part is remaining. So we call this as 3 upon 4. And here the whole shaded is one whole, so it makes 1 3 upon 4. Whenever you see a whole number or whole along with a fraction, we say it as it is a mixed fraction or mixed numbers. Now let's learn how exactly improper fractions can be converted to mixed fractions, looking at the diagrammatic representation of the example given to you. Improper fraction to mixed fractions. Let's take an example here. 7 upon 4. So 7 upon 4 is the fraction which we have taken. You can see the numerator is greater than the denominator. That is why we call it as an improper fraction. So 4 is actually what 4 equal parts we'll be making. Okay, denominator is always used for dividing that particular whole object into that many parts. So 4 equal parts. And how many parts do we need? We need 7 parts. So numerator is 7. So let's divide the object into 4 equal parts. So I can see there is 1 part, 2, 3 and 4. So I have got 4 parts. But the numerator is 7. So I need some more parts over here. So I'll be drawing another whole object and I'll be dividing it again into 4 equal parts. And let's put the numbers 5, 6 and 7. So I have got 7 parts now. That is the numerator. So what did I get? 7 upon 4. Okay, this is the improper fraction. So we are shading the parts, 7 parts, that is the numerator, and 4 parts were the 4 equal parts. So we have divided both of them into 4 equal parts. So this actually, the first object is shaded the whole, so it makes one whole object. Can you see? It is one whole as it is shaded completely. The second part, you can see 3 parts are shaded out of total 4 parts. So how do we write the fraction? 3 upon 4. Okay, 3 parts are shaded out of total 4 parts, that is 3/4. So here 1 part and 3 upon 4. So the total fraction we get over here, that is 1 whole and 3 upon 4. This makes a mixed fraction. So an improper fraction gave me a mixed fraction 1 3/4.